Let's start from the very beginning. Yes, let's learn how to make this cute but simple Crinoline Fascinator hat. Great for bridesmaids. Hi, how are you doing? It's Nkechi from The Vent, empowering you to create wealth with tutorials on how to make fascinators, as well as showing you tips and tricks of the craft and various lovely designs I have made. To make this Crinoline Fascinator, you would need an electric glue gun or any other glue, scissors, matching thread with the crinoline, needle, measurement tape, comb, crinoline, and some flowers. We start off by measuring 30 inches of our crinoline. This crinoline is 6 inches in width. So that's 30 inches and we cut it. Once that's done, you grab the two edges and pull out the thread. Then you drag it to squeeze the crinoline. After you have done that, you pleat the two edges like so. Then you tie it like I'm doing. Sure you take it round very well to make sure it doesn't loosen. Then you cut off the excess. Then you sew the tip to ensure it doesn't loosen. You could also use glue here. The only reason why I don't like using glue is because sometimes it makes it difficult to attach your comb or hairband. Then you turn it like I'm doing. You see, that's the cap base. Then you take your comb, put at the back. And now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be taking the needle and thread through the teeth of the comb to attach it to the base. If you're joining me for the first time on my channel, trust me, you won't want to miss any of my videos, as my aim is to empower you to create wealth. So pause this video right now and subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and also the bell icon below to ensure you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Gaining knowledge from this video, please do like this video by clicking the thumbs up icon below the video. Thank you. For covering the sewn part, I cut with my zigzag scissors a rectangular piece of light poly. It's glue gun time, so you take your electric glue gun and attach the flowers to the top of the crinoline cap. You also do the same to the piece of pulley underneath to cover the sewing on the thread. That's it.